Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this additional, with extra Sudokus or puzzles in today's newspaper of Monday, June the 28th, 2021. We have here the last puzzle because I have already solved these three puzzles, and there are 7 puzzles in this additional, but I won't do them all, so today only 4, and this one will be number 3017. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. If it's a hard one, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more. Yes, if it's really a 4 stars. Alright, and the first question to you is, can you see here the single box or the single boxes? I see here the single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me scan. No. Only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. No, triple box. Quadra box. Quadra box in a L shape. And remember, if you see an L shape with 4 boxes, quadra box, remember that this box is always a 5. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape. This is mirrored. Yes, let me draw this. The L shape or L figure or construction or structure, you name it. Alright, remember that this box has always the same number as that box, so this box has always the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Well, this one has 4, so it's not the same. You cannot place the 5 here because the 4 quadra box is not the same with the 5 box L shapes. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. And then this kind of shape. Do we have more in this puzzle? Here. So this box has the same number as that box. This here. This is rotated. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more other shapes? Yeah, this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so it's connected here. So those 3 boxes has the same number. This box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. More of these kind of shapes? No. Those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have 3 of those shapes. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. Then the following strategy is to let's get starting filling the numbers. Yes, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we see here another 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, here I cannot place a 1 here. So this should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. So that means that this box is also 2 and the 4. Well, we see here 2, so this box cannot be a 2. So also that box cannot be a 2. So it must be a 4. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. This box is connected with that box should be also a 4. Alright, 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Alright. Okay, this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2, 4. Well, this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. But also this box cannot be a 4. I have a double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes as a pair here. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box is going to be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 5. Ah, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. Now, wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4. 2. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 there. And cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. And then. One. Oh, let me think. 2, 4, 1. I need to sneeze. Don't sneeze. Okay, let me think. This box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I'm missing the 1 also. Could be everywhere. 2, 5. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So this one, I need to eliminate this. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area, W area shape for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. This quadra box contains the 1, the 2, and 3, and a 4. Well, this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. So 1 digit left should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now, this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. Here also double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me see. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. This box. Yeah. Cannot be a 1. 1. Yeah. Think. Think logical. I have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Otherwise, if I fill a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. That means that these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 1. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Tectonic. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Gesundheit. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. And I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics. Playlists for the binaries. Playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the ladder Sudoku, for the heavy Sudoku, for the light Sudokus, for the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.